Welcome to this yoga practice focused on transformation. Today, as we move through each pose, let's reflect on the journey of change, growth, and renewal, both in our bodies and our minds. Take a moment to find a comfortable seat with your legs crossed. Close your eyes and focus on your breath, gently inhaling and exhaling. Allow yourself to be present here and now as we begin. Now, let's begin to warm up. Gently drop your chin towards your chest, then roll your neck from side to side. Feel the release as you gently stretch each side of your neck. Now, stretch your hands and warm up the wrists. Bring your hands to your shoulders. Begin to make small circles with your elbows, moving forward and then backward. Let your shoulders relax and soften with each move. Look up and touch your elbows down. Inhale up and down. Bring your arms up and place your left hand on your right knee. Place your right hand behind you for support. Inhale as you lengthen your spine, and as you exhale, twist gently to the right. And switch sides. Return to a comfortable seat. Place your hands on your knees and begin making circles with your torso, feeling the movement in your hips and spine. Circling helps release tension in the lower back and hips, encouraging energy flow. Extend your legs straight in front of you. Now gently warm up your knees by placing your hands on them and making small circles in both directions. Now catch up one leg underneath your knee and gently lift it, making circles with your knee. Once you've completed the circles, switch legs. Hold the knee and gently pull the leg towards your body. Reach your hands up to the sky, stretching your body long. On your next exhale, slowly fold forward, reaching for your feet or shins, whatever feels comfortable. Forward folds help calm the nervous system and promote flexibility in the spine and hamstrings. Now come to a tabletop position on your hands and knees. Inhale, arc your back for cow pose, lifting your chest and tailbone. Exhale, round your spine for cat pose, tucking your chin and drawing your belly button towards your spine. Repeat a few times, flowing with your breath. Stretch your left leg back and right hand forward. On your exhale, cover your body and bring your knee towards your elbow. This core engagement helps build strength and control. Switch sides when you're ready. Move into downward facing dog. Press your palms firmly into the ground, lifting your hips high. Lift your right leg up toward the sky. On the exhale, bring your right knee towards your right elbow. Touch your elbow again. Step your right foot forward into Warrior One. Reach your arms high and strong. Open into Warrior Two, keeping your chest facing forward. Flow into Reverse Warrior, reaching your right arm back while keeping your legs strong and grounded. Place your hands on the ground and transition to Downward Facing Dog. From here, we repeat the same flow with the other leg. Stretch the leg back. On the exhale, bring your left knee towards your left elbow. Now bring your foot between your hands and prepare for Warrior One. Reach your arms high and strong. Open into Warrior Two, keeping your chest facing forward. Flow into Reverse Warrior. Move into Downward Facing Dog. Press your palms firmly into the ground, lifting your hips high. Bring your knees down and sit back into Child's Pose. Let your forehead rest on the mat and your arms stretch out in front of you. Take a few breaths here, allowing the body to settle and release. Move into Downward Facing Dog. Come into Pigeon Pose, bringing your right leg forward and extending your left leg back. Breathe deeply, allowing yourself to let go of any tightness in the hips. Move into Downward Facing Dog. Switch sides. As you breathe out, let go of any distractions, fully embracing this moment of calm. Allow yourself to simply be here in the present without any expectations. You're safe, you're whole, and you're at peace. Move into Downward Facing Dog. Come onto your stomach for bow pose. Grab your ankles and lift your chest and thighs off the ground. This heart opening pose improves flexibility and strengthens the back, helping us stay open to life's changes. Now slowly lie back on your mat. Tuck your knees into your chest. Rocking side to side for a gentle back massage. Extend your legs out long, palms facing up. Close your eyes and enter Shavasana for meditation. Allow your body to fully relax and your mind to quiet. Take the time to reflect on the journey you've just taken, feeling the transformation within. Bring your awareness to the natural rhythm of your breath. Notice how your breath rises and falls without trying to change it. Simply observe the movement of your body with each inhale and exhale. As you breathe in, feel the expansion of your chest and belly, and as you breathe out, feel the body soften into the earth. As you inhale, imagine you're breathing in pure light, filling your body in energy and peace. As you exhale, imagine any remaining tension, fear, or worry leaving your body, dissolving into the earth. With every breath, you're becoming lighter and more at ease. Feel the connection between your body and the earth and let the sense of support deepen your relaxation. As you lie here, take a moment to reflect on your practice today. Consider how your body feels now, more relaxed, more open, more connected. Reflect on the journey you've just taken, not only through your physical practice, but also through the mental and emotional shifts you've experienced. When you're ready, begin to bring your awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes gently, feeling the sensation of movement returning to your body. Allow yourself to feel gratitude for this time you've dedicated to yourself, this space of rest, renewal, and self-care. In a moment, we'll slowly begin to return to the present, but for now, allow yourself to rest in the deep peace. Know that this sense of calm and relaxation is always available to you whenever you need it. Use your hands to gently press yourself up to a seated position. Keep your eyes closed for just a moment longer. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring your hands to your heart center in a gesture of gratitude for your practice today. Carry this peace with you throughout the rest of your day. Namaste.